friends, I'm back today to share with you part 2 of my blue and orange fall home tour. I'm so excited, you guys, to show you what I've got. Let's start right in the entryway. I still don't have no rugs, y'all, but I do have a bench, and I'll be talking all about that on the blog soon. This cute little pillow, you guys, is from Target's Dollar Spot. Y'all, I spent $20 before I even make it all the way into Target. I can't help it. Anyway, on the wall right above the bench, I have my fall embroidery hoop that I shared with you guys. And right to the left of the entry is our formal dining room and living room, which I shared with you guys in part 1 of the tour. So let's look what I have going on here on this little table. I have some silver dollar eucalyptus mixed with some seeded eucalyptus, and I told you guys I love those for fall. These little mini pumpkins I got from Trader Joe's, and I just have them on a little stand. And the little owls are from Target from a few years back. My lamps that I shared with you guys also recently. Some more pumpkins that I got from Trader Joe's. Really simple, but you know, the orange I think says fall, right? Alright, so let's walk on over to the family room. I love this room, you guys. It is my favorite room in the house. Did you guys remember the before tour, what this looked like? Very empty, but I knew once we got our furniture in here, it would look great. I love the fireplace. It's just really cozy. Now that I have the curtains up, it's really coming along, but it's still a work in progress because you see this wall over here. I'm still working on a gallery wall, and I did have some lights above it, but that didn't look too good, so I'm looking for some new options. Anyway, I'm still happy to share this space with you guys, but it is absolutely a work in progress. My favorite thing in here, you guys, is my pumpkin filled fireplace. This was a spur of the moment thing. Remember, I shared a video with you guys of what my fireplace looked like. But once I had them all in there, it was the leftover pumpkins I did not use in my decor this year. Some real, some fake. I loved it, and it really works with this eclectic colors and everything I have going on in here. By my TV stand, I don't really have much over here, just this little cute branch I got from Pier 1. My little stool, another little blue velvet pumpkin, which matches nicely with all the other blues. And as you can see, I didn't stick to blue. I have all kinds of colors. I use my leopard print pillows really as neutrals, you guys, and mix them with just about everything. And I don't know, I think some people might think that's weird, but I don't know, I love them, and to me they go with everything. And like I said, a lot of the colors that I got for the pillows and everything came from the rug, the blues, the greens, and I have that one pillow that has, you know, sort of all the colors in it. That floral pillow has the greens, blues, orangey colors, so it really works. And those colors also work well with the front room, which you can see from here. Over in the kitchen, I also carried sort of the blue and orange theme. I wish so badly, you guys, this kitchen was white. Ooh, I'm working on it. But I was able to change out that light fixture. Again, go back and look at the before too, and you'll see what was happening there. I have my coffee bar, which I love, love, love. I added some of my copper mugs and vintage mugs in there, and this is really like kind of my favorite view, you guys, like from the coffee bar looking into the family room. I love that. I'm hoping pretty soon I could work on updating the dining nook with some new chairs and things, but we'll see. And on the table, just a little tablescape, you guys, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.